In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use your credit balance on Temu. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to actually use our credit balance on Temu, we must first actually make sure we do have a credit balance. So in order to check that, you can simply open up the Temu app and you can go to the bottom of the screen and look for that U tab, which will take us to this page right here. So in order to see if we've got a credit balance, we can go to this option right here and click on it. This will then take us to the credit balance page and it will show us how much we have. Now, as you can see, I've got 0, so it won't let me use my credit balance. However, if you do have some money in this credit balance, that means that we can go to the next step. You see, Temu actually applies your credit balance towards eligible orders during the checkout process, so you don't actually need to do anything manually. This is the simplest way to use your credit, and it ensures that you're taking advantage of it whenever possible. So all you have to do that is to go to your cart and find some items to buy, and from there we can go to the checkout. From there we can look through our order and we can scroll down through it, and we can then get down to payment methods. Now, as I said earlier, it does automatically get applied if you do have some money in your credit balance, but since I didn't have any money in credits, it's actually not doing it for me now. So basically, if you do have some credit balance available, it will automatically submit it at this section right here. But it's important to know that Temu credit can only be used for purchases on Temu, not for cash withdrawals. And there's also no expiry date on your credit balance, so you can use it whenever you like. So this has been my video showing you how to use a credit balance in Temu. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.